Could trading really be that simple? Let's get into today's session and see how it went. Welcome back to my journey to becoming a profitable trader on the Nasdaq Futures. I am currently on an evaluation with the prop firm Trade Day to become a funded trader. Market just opened and we have a monstrous candle already shooting down. Biggest candle that we've definitely seen in over a week. A lot of times on Mondays we will see this just because there's news and things that happen over the weekend. And yeah, 35.5 point candle. Wow. Because news and different things happen over the weekend, and that's 2 days that the market doesn't have to adjust. Here we're making our blue lines so that we're able to see the top and the bottoms of the current window that we're trading in. Almost bouncing right off that VWAP line right now. So nice when it ends up like that. Makes it look like we know what we're doing. Might have some consolidation happening here after that big jump down. We're going to keep that top blue line at the very top here, just in case, so we can keep an eye on the top of what was happening right before the market opened. But other than that, we're working in this right now, and we're already breaking through into that negative trend, breaking out of that consolidation, but we broke right at the VWAP. With that 35-point candle, we are still getting to where we would consider entering a trade in terms of the ATR down here. We're getting there much faster than we did at the end of last week. End of last week, we were still having 15, 20-point candles almost up to 8:36 in the morning Central Time. We're going to move this blue line here since this consolidation has moved down. It's shifted. It looks like we might keep pushing it down even more. We're already breaking through it. Our mindset right now should be consolidation or a move down. There's no reason that we should be going long in a trade with any of the evidence that we've seen thus far. It keeps breaking through every previous consolidation line, every previous resistance line. If it comes up to that blue line, we might take and go short. It's well past 8:33 in the morning, so we have reached the time limit where we would consider entering a trade. We're still moving down. We are wanting to go short. We're just waiting for the right opportunity. There it goes. We are in. We're in the red, and there we go. How many seconds was that? Could trading really be that simple? Now, when it was starting to consolidate right here, you might think, hey, this is starting to turn down. This is starting to turn around, and we might start going green. But we do not want to fight the trend that we've been seeing. The odds that you are going to find the one instance out of all of these instances that have been going negatively, going in the red, and you're going to see where it finally turns around, probably not. At this point, we were still considering entering a trade with our trading account. We have not had a really big green day, though, in all of last week. So we did say, you know what? Let's take that win, that 5-point win, and take it into tomorrow, start the week off on a high note. And now we'll do some more trades, but more of just testing theories. Now, something that I did like that we started to work with here is I notice a lot that if a candle, for instance, is going to be red, let's look here. We have this green candle and then this red one. There's not a lot where it will go up and go positively before going down. See, this is here, and it starts going up a little bit, then goes down here. So we entered another trade. This one looks good. This looks good. There's a win. And this one, for instance, this one, we're thinking that it might go green, and it did. So we enter at the end of the previous candle. So we have this timer down here for us. So right when there's about 3 seconds left, if I'm like, I think this is still going to go green, I would enter then, come in here, and then assume that it's going to keep going up. Now, if I'm wrong, like here, if I would have taken that green, obviously I would have lost. But it's entering more of following the trend and understanding that you can trust your gut a little bit. So this is something that I won't be acting on initially, I don't think. But when we move over to our sim account this week, this is the kind of mindset that I plan to be having. Yeah, let's... Right there. Went long, got right out. And that's what happens when we hit in the middle of a candle. There's too much back and forth. You don't know exactly where we're going to enter, how much lag there's going to be from when the trade is executed either. But I really like the idea of entering with conviction and with my edge. And we thought it was going to stay between these consolidation lines that we've been breaking at. We're going in the green a little bit now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop loss to the top of the previous high of this consolidation. I do not move my stop loss when I'm on my trading account because of the back testing I've done. I know that if I go negative 2.5 points, I'm way more likely to go way more negative than for it to turn around and go positive on me. Like right here, we got stopped out. This VWAP has actually been really accurate today in terms of something that the chart has resisted against. But we thought we were going to break through it there. Can't make up its mind. And there we go. Hit the target. Broke through enough. 295 is, oh, see, now just broke through 295. We might be in an upward trajectory now. I mean, we are in an upward trajectory. Just we're breaking. And that's a good trade right there. We're going with the trend. We're thinking it's going to break the high that it's had for a while to 475. There we go again. Going with the trend. Green, green, green. Thought it was still going to break through and break up to that blue line that we kept almost perfectly. So another good trade. I like it even in retrospect, but you're not going to win all of them. Looks like that 310 is going to be some resistance for us. Yeah, look at that. We made some money today. Great way to start the week. So that's about it. Still more learning to be had. Still more things to test out, as always. But I will see you guys tomorrow, where I will continue documenting my trading journey so that you know that you're not alone on yours. Thanks, guys.